Transforming your kitchen with wood. The kitchen is the heart of every home, where meals are made, memories are shared, and families gather. It's not just a functional space, but a reflection of your personal style. Today, we're diving into the world of creative wooden kitchen interior design, where warmth, texture, and craftsmanship take center stage. Wood, in all its natural beauty, is making a major comeback in kitchen interiors. It's versatile, timeless, and sustainable, offering endless possibilities to design a kitchen that's not only functional, but full of character. From rustic farmhouse kitchens to sleek, modern designs, wood can be used in countless ways to elevate your cooking space. In this script, we'll explore various creative ways to incorporate wood into your kitchen interior. Whether you're remodeling your entire kitchen or just looking for a few ideas to refresh your space, we've got something for everyone. Let's jump into these inspiring wooden design ideas that are sure to make your kitchen feel warm, inviting, and uniquely yours. 1. Wooden kitchen cabinets, the heart of the kitchen. First up, let's talk about cabinets. Cabinets are the centerpiece of any kitchen, and wooden cabinets add an unmatched warmth and texture to the space. But today's wooden kitchen cabinets aren't just the traditional designs you might expect. There's a new wave of creativity that's breathing life into this essential kitchen feature. One idea is to embrace the beauty of natural wood grains. Rather than opting for painted or glossy finishes, leave the wood exposed with a clear finish that highlights its natural texture and imperfections. This approach adds a rustic, organic feel to the kitchen, creating a sense of connection to nature. For a modern twist, consider a matte or satin finish that softens the look of the wood, offering a more subdued, minimalist aesthetic. Dark woods like walnut or ebony provide a sleek, contemporary look, while lighter woods like oak or maple give the kitchen a more airy, Scandinavian vibe. Another creative option is mixing wood with other materials. For example, you could combine wood with metal accents for a more industrial look, or pair it with marble countertops for an elegant, sophisticated feel. Open shelving with wooden brackets and shelves allows for a more open, airy design, making the kitchen feel less cluttered and more spacious. Finally, consider custom cabinetry. Wooden cabinets can be custom-built to fit your specific space, ensuring that your kitchen is as functional as it is beautiful. Custom cabinets allow you to incorporate unique details like hidden compartments, pull-out drawers, and even built-in lighting to make your kitchen not only stylish, but also incredibly practical. 2. Wooden countertops, practical and stunning. Countertops are another area of the kitchen where wood can really shine. Wooden countertops bring a rich, natural feel to the kitchen, and there are various ways to incorporate them into your space. One option is a butcher block countertop, which is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Butcher block countertops are made from thick planks of wood, and their rich, honey tones make them a standout feature in any kitchen. These countertops are highly durable and resistant to damage, making them perfect for food preparation. They also develop a beautiful patina over time, adding even more character as they age. If you're looking for a more modern feel, try a wooden countertop in a darker finish, like walnut or cherry. These woods create a luxurious and sophisticated vibe, especially when paired with sleek, minimalist cabinetry. If you prefer something more rustic, reclaimed wood countertops offer a unique, eco-friendly solution. The beauty of reclaimed wood is that each piece has a history and a story to tell, making it an excellent choice for those who appreciate the beauty of imperfection. Wooden countertops also pair beautifully with other materials like stone or concrete. For instance, you could have wooden countertops surrounding a central island with a stone or marble surface. This contrast between the natural warmth of the wood and the cool, polished stone creates a visually striking effect. 3. Wooden flooring, the foundation of your kitchen's design. Flooring is one of the most important elements of any kitchen design, and wooden flooring is a fantastic choice for creating a warm, inviting space. Wooden floors have a timeless appeal and work well in nearly every kitchen style, from classic to contemporary. One idea is to use wide plank hardwood flooring. This type of flooring creates a rustic, cozy feel, perfect for farmhouse-inspired kitchens. The wide boards give the room a sense of openness, making it feel larger and more connected. For a more modern kitchen, consider engineered wood floors with a sleek, smooth finish. These floors are durable and easy to maintain, yet they still provide that warm, natural aesthetic that wood is known for. You could also experiment with different patterns, such as herringbone or chevron, which add a touch of artistry and design to the floor while still maintaining the natural beauty of the wood. Reclaimed wood floors are also a wonderful option for sustainable kitchen designs. By choosing reclaimed wood, you're not only adding character and history to your kitchen, but also reducing your environmental impact. The weathered look of reclaimed wood adds a sense of authenticity and uniqueness, ensuring that your kitchen stands out from others. 4. Wooden accents and accessories, adding texture and personality. While large elements like cabinets and countertops often steal the spotlight, it's the small wooden accents and accessories that can truly elevate your kitchen's design. One simple yet effective idea is incorporating wooden open shelving. Open shelves made from wood not only display your kitchen essentials, but also add a touch of rustic charm. You can use these shelves to showcase your favorite dishes, plants, or decorative items, making your kitchen feel more personalized and lived in. Wooden drawer pulls and cabinet handles are another great way to bring wood into your kitchen without overwhelming the space. These small details make a huge difference and can completely transform the look of your cabinets. Choose wood that contrasts with the color of your cabinetry for a modern, bold statement, or select wood that matches the finish of your cabinets for a more cohesive, subtle look. Wooden kitchen islands are also a fantastic way to bring both function and beauty into your space. The island can serve as a place for meal prep, casual dining, or even entertaining guests, while the wooden design ensures that it blends seamlessly with the rest of your kitchen's decor. If you love the idea of bringing nature indoors, wooden planters can be used to house herbs, succulents, or even small indoor trees. These planters add freshness to the kitchen while also enhancing the natural vibe of the space. 5. Wooden backsplashes, functional and stylish. Backsplashes are an essential element of any kitchen design, protecting your walls from spills and splashes while also adding style. A wooden backsplash, however, offers a unique twist on this functional feature. A wooden backsplash can be made from reclaimed wood, creating a stunning visual contrast between the kitchen walls and your countertops. The natural patterns and textures of the wood add interest and warmth, turning your backsplash into a true work of art. For a more contemporary look, opt for a wooden panel backsplash with clean lines and a smooth finish. This design creates a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that's perfect for modern kitchens. Alternatively, a more rustic backsplash could feature uneven pieces of wood arranged in a herringbone pattern, providing a textured organic look that adds depth and personality to your space. Wooden backsplashes are also incredibly versatile. They can be paired with a variety of materials, such as stainless steel appliances or stone countertops, to create a beautiful contrast that feels both modern and inviting. And if you're concerned about maintenance, don't worry. Modern treatments and finishes ensure that wooden backsplashes are durable and easy to clean, making them a practical choice for any kitchen. Conclusion: embracing the warmth of wood in your kitchen. Wooden elements in your kitchen can transform the entire space, creating an environment that's warm, inviting, and full of character. Whether you're opting for rustic wooden cabinets, sleek countertops, or small accessories, Wood offers a versatile design solution that works in any style of kitchen. The beauty of wood lies in its natural textures, grains, and colors, each piece telling its own story. It's a material that can be shaped to fit your exact needs and desires, making it perfect for creating a space that's both functional and beautiful. But beyond its beauty and functionality, wood is also an eco-friendly choice that's sustainable and long-lasting. By choosing wood, you're making a conscious decision to invest in a material that has a lower environmental impact compared to other options. Whether it's reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced timber, incorporating wood into your kitchen is a step towards creating a more sustainable home. So, whether you're updating your kitchen with a few wooden accents or completely redesigning the space, remember that the possibilities are endless. Wood is a material that's as flexible as it is beautiful, and with the right design ideas, it can turn your kitchen into a space that reflects your personal style and values. In the end, your kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's a space where you connect with your family, share meals, and create memories. By incorporating wooden elements, you're not just improving your kitchen's appearance. You're creating a space that feels like home,